to Miss B Biology. This is a revision lesson on water pollution, focusing on eutrophication. So grab your book and grab your pen and let us begin. The lesson objective is to describe eutrophication. Eutrophication is the increase of mineral ions in an aquatic ecosystem that rapidly increase the growth of plants and algae and reduces oxygen for animals. As the human population grows, so does the need for food. Farmers add fertilizer to the soil to keep it rich in minerals and fertile for many years. When it rains, the mineral ions from the fertilizer get washed off into nearby water bodies, for example, streams, lakes, and rivers. Untreated sewage that enter water bodies also causes a high level of mineral ions to be present in the water, especially nitrates. Nitrates come from urine and feces, and high levels of phosphate comes from detergents. The mineral ions from the fertilizers and untreated sewage, especially nitrate, cause a rapid growth in algae and other surface plants. The plants and algae growing on the surface of the water blocks the light from getting below. This prevents photosynthesis of plants below, resulting in death. Some of the surface plants and algae also die as they compete for light. This causes an increase in bacteria in the water as they feed on the dead plants and algae. The bacteria use up lots of oxygen from the water in aerobic respiration. As the number of bacteria increases, the oxygen level decreases even more. This means there isn't enough oxygen to support the aquatic organisms to respire aerobically. They eventually die, resulting in even more bacteria being present to decompose the dead organisms. The water bodies are considered dead when the oxygen level is too low to support life. Again, students, eutrophication is the increase of mineral ions in an aquatic ecosystem that rapidly increase the growth of plants and algae and reduces oxygen for animals. Let us now look at an exam-style question. A farmer washes out his animal shed each day. The wastewater contains urine and feces. The wastewater overflows into a nearby lake. Explain the effects this wastewater will have on the aquatic organisms. Let us now look at a model answer. Students, please note that this question always values 6 marks. Let us begin. The wastewater contains mineral ions from the feces and urine. This increases the growth of algae and surface water plants. The plants underneath die due to lack of light for photosynthesis. Bacteria feed on decaying plants and multiply rapidly. The respiration of decomposers uses up all the oxygen, so aquatic organisms, for example fish, die due to lack of oxygen. Students, if the question is about fertilizer or sewage or detergent, the answer is always the same. Did you achieve the lesson objective? Are you able to describe eutrophication? All you need to do, students, is find some past paper question to do on the topic to test your knowledge. Thank you so much for watching and all the best in your exams. Bye bye.